question number 12. It is given that AB, BC and median AD of this triangle ABC is proportional with PQ, QR and PM, which is the median of this triangle PQR, are in the same ratio. So we have to show that these two triangles are similar. This is what they have given. So as it is given into the data, let's just note it down. For triangle ABC and PQR, AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR is same as median AD upon PM. So for correspondence between, let me just correct it, ABD and PQR, you can see that side criteria exists. So we can say that ABD similar. Now look at the first, that is the common vertex is B and common is Q. So B corresponds with Q. As B corresponds with Q, so A corresponds with P and automatically D corresponds with that. So we have written this similarity by using the criteria side. When the two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that angle ABD is same as angle PQM. This is we have written from corresponding part of similar triangles. If I write down ABD or ABC, so it won't change the value. So ABC is also same as PQM or PQR. By using this, we have written this. So let me give this as an equation number 1. Now for similarity, the triangle which we required, that is ABC and PQR, the similarity of these two triangles. Data in given AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. This is already given in the data. And from 1, we can write that ABC is same as PQR. This is I have written from equation 1. So you can see that two corresponding sides are similar. Two corresponding sides are in same ratio and the included angle is equal. So we can say that this triangle ABC similar, as B is correspondence with Q, B corresponds with Q, so A corresponds with P, so automatically C corresponds with R. This I have written by using the side criteria. Hence, the similarity between the two triangles has been proved. Let's continue with question number 13. It is given that point D, which is lying on BC of triangle ABC, says that this angle ADC is same as angle BAC. So this is what given in the data and we have to prove this. So when we have seen this, it's quite strange that how we can prove this. But look at students, let's make it quite simple. इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. So we'll get the idea what exactly we are going to prove. ये क्वेश्चन से, ये प्रूव करने से, देखने से पता नहीं चल रहा है कि हमें क्या प्रूव करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. So let me just change it little bit. So we'll come to the conclusion हमें क्या करना है. So what I'll do, I'll take this BC here and this CA on this side. So we can see that CA upon CB is equals to CD upon CA. Now if we want to prove this, तो यहाँ से देखने को पता चल रहा है कि I'll prove this triangle ACD and ABC similar. अगर मैं ये दो triangles, that is ACD and ABC, अगर मैं ये दो triangles similar prove कर दूं, so I can show that the corresponding sides are in same ratio. फिर इससे मैं यहाँ पे जाऊंगा और ये प्रूव हो जाएगा. तो remember students, ये प्रूव करने के लिए you have to show this way. और ये प्रूव करने के लिए हमें दो ट्राइंगल्स के बीच में सिमिलैरिटी बतानी है. क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है, ये 5-6 स्टेप्स में खत्म हो जाएगा. बट यहाँ पे जो प्रूफ दिया है, एट द सीन वन साइड वी फाइंड इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. तो एज वी डिस्कस अर्लियर, हम ये दो ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलैरिटी बताएंगे. सो विच आर द टू ट्राइंगल्स? देखो यहाँ न्यूमरेटर से AC or CD. These are of sides of ACD, and these are the sides of triangle ABC. So let us show the similarity. One angle is already given, congruent, equal. तो हम बता देंगे कि ADC which is same as BAC. So from where we have written this? Obviously we have written this from the data where it is given. Now one more angle is left to prove they are equal. अब आराम से देखेंगे तो सीधा पता चल जाएगा. जैसे D और A. Now the rest हम देखेंगे. तो rest में you observe that angle C and angle A. So now look at C. तो C एंगल देखेंगे तो BCA और DCA. You can see that C remain constant. मतलब C change नहीं हो रहा है. That is a common angle. So we can show that here that angle ACD is same as angle ACB. We can write here the reason they are the common angles. That we cannot show for angle A. Angle A के लिए हम नहीं बता सकते. क्यों? देखो. Angle CAD तो इतना ही होगा. This one. और BAC तो पूरा होगा. Which we have already used. इसलिए हम नहीं बता सकते. So we have proved here that angle ACD similar. चलो किससे similar बता रहे हैं? D is corresponds to A, D last, A last. C corresponds to C, C second, C second. So obviously the third A remains corresponds to B. We proved this by angle criteria. हमें ये प्रूफ नहीं करना था. क्यों किया? Because we want to show the corresponding sides are in proportion. तो बताएंगे. If I take AC, so AC corresponds with BC and CD corresponds with AC. CD corresponds with AC. From where we have written corresponding parts of similar triangle, CPST. Now if I'll go for the cross multiplication, that AC square is BC into CD. This is what exactly we require to prove. So at the first time when we see the question, what we have to prove, it looks difficult, but the question is quite easy. Let's start with the 14 number question, which is one of the most important question of this exercise. As it is mentioned in the question, for triangle ABC and PQR, AB is proportional to PQ, AC is proportional to PR, and AD, which is the median, is proportional to PF, as it is given into the question. We have to show that ABC is similar to PQR. So you might be worried, or you have the questions that why the diagram should be like this. That I'll explain in the proof. So at least first that whatever is given, that AB is proportional to PQ, AC is given proportional to PR, and the median AD is given proportional to the median PM. For this too. Now what I have done here, you can see that these are the symbols which shows the sides are equal. So let me extend this AD such a way that AD and D, they are obtaining equal, the same on this side. Now let's construct point E on extended line AD such that this both the line segment, that AD is equals to D. Then we joined, now joined BE and C. So you can see that ABEC is become a parallelogram. How it is a parallelogram? As AD is given median, so we can say BD and CD are already same. So we can say in quadrilateral ABEC, AD is already same as D, which we have taken, and BD is equals to CD. So we can say here that this diagonals bisect each other. So ABEC is a parallelogram. Now similarly we can go for this triangle. Similarly, construct point N, this one, on extended line PM such that PM is equals to MN. And we can prove that PQ and R is a parallelogram. So we can prove here PQ and R is a parallelogram. Now here you can see that we have proved that ABEC is a parallelogram as well as PQ and R is a parallelogram. So we can say that in a parallelogram pair of opposite sides are always equal. So AB is equals to CE for this quadrilateral ABEC, and BE is equals to AC. Similarly for this parallelogram, PQ is equals to NR and QN is equals to PR. So as we have proved this one, now let's come to the data which is given into the question. They have given AB upon PQ is AC upon PR is AD upon PM. We'll use this. हम इसको यूज करेंगे to prove this two triangle, that is ABE and PQN. ये दो triangles को हम correspondence prove करने के लिए let's see what we are going to show the similar. Let us continue and show the similarity for triangle ABE and triangle PQN. We have to show the similarity between these two. So as you can see here, AB is already given, or we can say it is in the proportion with PQ. Let's come to this. Let me give this as an equation number 1 and I'll give this as an equation number 2. As AB and PQ, they are in the same proportion. So the rest also we can show they are in the same proportion. Fine. So by using the same thing, we can say that BE is also proportion to QN, as AD is also in the same proportion with PM. But as we discussed that AD is the median. So AD is same as D. So we can say the whole length, that is AE, is also proportion to PL. Let's see this again. This already given into the data. The rest we have taken from this sides. You can correlate, you can pause the video and you can understand this, what I explained here. Now as we can see that this triangle ABE is similar to this triangle by using SSS. Let's see which are the similarity. You can see that the common vertex B, and that is Q. B corresponds to Q. So A corresponds with P and automatically E corresponds with N. We have used side criteria. Now when we show this, we can say corresponding angles are also equal. That is BAE is also equals to A angle is equals to N angle. QPN. We have used corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now this is one part which we have taken. Or let me give this equation number 3 further. Now you can see that similarly in the diagram, when you observe, when you see the diagram here, this one, you can see here, this triangle ACE will also show similar to PRN. So we'll also show that these two triangles are similar here. This is I am talking about. This triangle, we prove that this ABE is similar to this triangle PQN. Now we'll show that this triangle ACE is similar to PRN by using the same criteria. And remember, we are not going to prove this again. So by similarity, we can write here similar way. So similarly, we can write similarly we can show the similar similarity between, as I'll show you this triangle, ACE is similar to PRN. So again, CAE, that is the corresponding angles, PRPN, by using corresponding parts of similar triangles are same. Let me add equation 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, this 3 and 4. So BAE, I'll do the sum of the left hand side. CAE is equals to QPN plus RPN. Now again, when you see the diagram here, the angles which we have to add here, that is BAE and CAE. Now look at this, BAE and CAE is equals to BAC. I hope you can understand. BAE and CAE is equals to the whole angle BAC, and similarly QPN plus RPN is equals to the whole angle P. This is, I am writing the last which we have written. So when you see the diagram from this, we can understand that also. So when we add this, we obtain that angle ABAC is equals to QPR. See, the whole thing that we have done here is to prove this angle. Now we have to show this triangles are similar. अब हम triangle similar कैसे बता रहे हैं? So again, it is quite easy. For similarity between triangle ABC and PQR, as already given into the that AB upon PQ is same as AC upon PR. This is I have written from data, and from fifth I have written that angle BAC is same as QPR. So this is the side angle side criteria I have used, because this angle is included angle. So we can say here that by using this, we can say that ABC is similar to PQR by using side angle side criteria, and hence this similarity is proved. It's quite lengthy sum, but you can understand this. Let's move towards the next question, number 15. It is given a vertical pole of length 6 meter. It casts a shadow of 4 meter on the ground. So AB is a pole and BC is the shadow of this pole. So we won't consider this AC. That is, I have just drawn to explain its form a triangle. Okay. One more thing is then, it is given at the same time. This is the tower, or we can say the building is given, tower PQ. The length of the tower is also given, that is shadow. No, sorry, the length of the tower is not given. The shadow of the length of the tower is given 28 meter. So we have to find out that what could be the length of this tower. So here they have given that they form the shadow at the same time. So whenever we consider the timings are same, so at the same time we can come to this conclusion that this both the triangles which are forming here, they are similar to each other. That here we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now the question arises why they are similar. So let me tell you, this angle B is right angle, as it forms a right angle to the ground. So we can say one angle is already same, that is B and Q. Now when they form the angle at the same time, the timings are same. So we can see that this both the angles must be equal, because they are talking about the same time. So we'll come to this that these two triangles are similar to each other. Now when the two triangles are similar, we know that the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. This is, we have written corresponding part of similar triangles. So the length of AB we have, that is 6, PQ that is X, BC we have, that is 4, and QR that is 28. Let us simplify. It's 4 sevens are I'll do the cross multiply. 6 into 7 is equals to x. So we can say that the length of the it's tower. Therefore the height or the length of tower is 42 meter. I hope you understand. It's an interesting question. Let us continue with the last question of this exercise. It is said that AD and PM, they are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively. This time they have already given that these two triangles are similar. So we have to show that the sides are also in the proportion with the medians. So you can see it's a converse questions of one of the question which we have done. So let's see that here we'll use that triangle ABC is given similar to triangle PQR. So when the two triangles are similar, we know that the corresponding sides are in same ratio. So I'll use this later on, and corresponding angles are also equal. So I can say ABC is same as PQR. As we are going to use this later on to prove this one. Now, as it is given that AD and PM are medians of triangle, this is the median of triangle ABC and this is of triangle PQR respectively. So when they are median, so we can say that this length BD is half of BC. Same QM is half of QR. So now look at here. We can see that BC QR is in the same proportion with all this. So we can use this from equation 1 and 3. I can say AB upon PQ is BC upon QR. As BC and Q are in the proportion with this, so we can say that BD and QM is also with the same proportion. Now to show the similarity, now for triangle AB, this I am talking about D, and triangle PQM, we can write that AB upon PQ is same as BD upon QM. And one angle which we have already used, that is AB, instead of C I'll write down ABD is same as PQN. Fine. So as this triangles, we can see here that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQN by using the criteria side angle side. We can say that what we have to prove that the corresponding sides are in the same proportion, which we can write here that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. This is, we have written corresponding part of similar triangle. Hence we can say that it is proved.